Hey guys, so you guys have probably seen that I received this 34-inch monitor on my Instagram. I posted it. I'm pretty hyped because I've never owned an ultra-wide monitor before. This is my first. It's gonna be really exciting for me to unbox. I've been staring at this box in my house for a couple of days now, every day thinking, oh my god, when do I have time to film the unboxing video? This is the Acer Predator X34P. There's a ton of features that I'm going to talk about later in the video. In the perspective of a gamer, I'm really excited. I have a knife with me and we are going to unbox it. You guys know the unboxing experience of unboxing something that is that big. It's like someone went to Toys R Us and bought like the biggest toy for me and I get to unbox it myself. So far, the unboxing experience, it's amazing. I like the quality of everything else which is outside of the box. I get to see the image of the monitor itself. It's lit. It's so big.
That's what she said.
Let's go. The first cut. Always the exciting one. Okay. Ah!
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
No. Okay.
In the box, we have the monitor wall mount, headphone hanger, power cable, DisplayPort cable, HDMI cable, I don't know what cable is this, warranty book, quick guidebook, and of course, the monitor itself. So far, I've been using this monitor for about a week-ish now, and I love how it looks. The color on the monitor looks so good. The 24-inch display, right? I can't even put a word on it, man. And since this is my first ultra-wide monitor, I'd say it's definitely an upgrade, which is not something that I expected. For productivity, having this much space feels good. Things that I have to minimize before, now I don't have to anymore. The curved screen does make a difference. It's like the edge of your screen is being pushed forward to you rather than you having to zoom in with your eyes, if you know what I mean. This monitor offers more natural colors, which helps in being able to color and edit your pictures and videos more accurately. This is definitely a win for me because I make videos in general. Multitasking is great. Windows 10 has a simple function for you to split your apps to fit the screen. Like right now, I have both nicely sized apps open side by side, rather than having an awkward window size that doesn't feel good and look good. So I get to experience the best of both worlds. Speaking of best of both worlds, not only this monitor is perfect for content creators like me, it's also great for gaming. I had my doubts before this, it being an ultra-wide monitor which typically people say will not perform as well as the regular one. With G-Sync, this monitor can overclock to 120Hz, which is good enough for games like PUBG. The previous model of this monitor could only overclock to 100Hz, I think. So this update on this model, I think, has achieved a sweet spot between gaming and productivity. Gaming on an ultra-wide will take some time to adapt at first because there are more things that you can see now, but that gaming experience though. I don't really use this word in real life a lot, but you will immerse into the game. I don't really know how to explain it, but what I feel is I'm more in the game than last time, if you know what I mean. If you're looking for a monitor that is good for both productivity and gaming, I'll definitely recommend this monitor. If you have any question about the monitor, feel free to leave a comment. I'll answer them because I know there's a lot of things that we want to know if we are, interested in buying the product. So I'll try my best now, okay? Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Yeah, buddy! But